I've asked this of our attorney guests on the
Mm.
show. Did you think the prosecution made its case in terms of Article 4 of the
Um,
impeachment?
well, with respect to the videos, there's no case to be made at this point. As I said before, the videos have been seen by the public. You cannot put toothpaste back into the tube. It is what it is. So at this point, the prosecution is really targeted at persuading because the evidence, I mean, everybody saw that. But ang tanong talaga, were they able to persuade? True believers, for example, like Senator Padilla, I don't think so. Right? Ang tina-target mo dyan yung nasa gitna. Were they able to do that? The only way to find out is when they vote.
Ikaw, were you?
For me, when I saw the videos, it really disturbed me because the question, as a professor of constitutional law and as a citizen, the question that I have is simple. In a constitutional democracy, okay lang ba na meron kang vice president na sinasabi, galit ako sa presidente for whatever reason na galit ako, pero na-imagine ko siyang pugutan ng ulo or huwag kayong mag-alala, nag-contact na ako ng assassin para patayin siya. The analogy that I keep on using is what if this was said by Leni Robredo in 2016 or by Jojo Binay. The justification does not make it right, and the circumstances does not make it acceptable,
Okay.
or should it?